California orders mandate changes silver price forever. If there's one state in this nation of ours that can unleash a mandate on silver, it's California. Check this out. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is offering this starter kit. Click the link down below. Use the promo code SILVERBUG and get $10 off your first order of $150 or more. Grow that stack today. Now, check this out. This is from the DTSC site, and they're showing California's mandate forces companies, think medical offices, think photo labs, jewelers, electronics recyclers. It forces them to stop tossing silver waste into the trash. Instead, they now have to recover and recycle it. Now, check how this hits our price of silver. This means more silver is going to enter the secondary market through recycling streams. It's not just scrap jewelry anymore. It's industrial sludge. It's photographic chemicals. It's even tiny bits from circuit boards. And over time, that extra recycled silver, it really adds up. Look at this. This is from physicalgold.com. Now, here's the kicker. When supply goes up, especially through recycling, it tends to put downward pressure on prices. Think about it. Silver pulled out of old electronics or photochemicals eventually hits the same market as freshly mined silver. So when more silver enters the system, the price will soften. We've seen this in the past with recycled metals like copper. We've seen it with aluminum, and silver is no different. Before you panic sell, check this out. Here's the twist. Recycling silver is not cheap. I mean, they show companies now have to pay for specialized handling, for collection, for transportation, for processing. These costs might offset the extra supply because refiners aren't going to flood the market unless it's profitable. Money goes where it's treated best. In fact, these added costs could help support prices from dropping too far, especially if demand stays strong for tech, if it stays strong for solar, investors like you and me, stackers. Now, the thing about recycled silver is that it does enter the market, but it costs more money for companies to do it. So that's what we have to keep in mind when we start biting our nails about the silver price being moved. California's ban definitely impacts the supply side of silver, but recycling costs, market demand, physical need for silver, those are just as pressing for silver price. So before you panic buy, look closely at how this plays out and get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. They're offering this starter kit. Click the link, use the promo code SILVERBUG and get $10 off your first purchase of $150 or more. Grow that stack, and I'll see you on the next one.